Alright, so when you're doing two-handed whip cracking, there's one basic element that you'll find throughout all of the two-handed whip cracking, and that's timing. So there's basically four different types of time, and that just basically refers to how far apart the cracks are in each hand. Alright, so let's just take the basic cattleman's crack and just do it at the same time. Alright, so when you do that at the exact same time, that's what we call together time. Alright, so that's just doing a crack in each hand at the exact same time. So then what you'll have next is slightly staggered. So you pick either hand. I'm going to do my left hand. One hand or whip is going to crack just a split second before the other one. Alright, so when you're doing that with the cattleman's crack, if let's say you're right-handed like me, just take your left hand and bring it up just slightly before the right hand. Alright, so again, this applies with any crack. So try that with the left hand starting first, and then your right hand. And whichever hand cracks first, that's known as the lead hand. So next we have the slightly more staggered time. Alright, so you're just lengthening that time a little bit longer. So my left hand is the lead hand, my right. Alright, so you have the slightly staggered and then the more staggered. So just practice with those two, getting them to be so you can easily recognize the difference between the two. So after the staggers, we have the last one, which is called balance time. Alright, so with the cattleman's crack, you have the whip going up and then back down. So as the whip is coming down, the other one is coming back up. So if my left hand is leading, I come up, and then as I come down, my right hand comes up. My right comes down, my left comes up. Alright, so just get used to doing the different timings with just the cattleman's crack, and switch your lead hands, and that'll give you a good foundation to all the other routines that we'll learn later on.